let's make some hush puppies. That's half a cup of cornmeal and flour, a tablespoon of sugar, some baking powder and salt. That's Cajun seasoning, onion powder and pepper, an egg, a tablespoon of oil, and about a fourth cup of buttermilk. And then you just stir that up. Then I added a chopped up serrano chili that I seeded and some sweet pickle relish. And mix that all up. And then put it in some hot oil. It shouldn't be too hot so that they burn and don't get done on the inside. And they shouldn't be too big so that they get done all the way through and without burning the outsides. But if you fry them right, they're good. And I had these hush puppies with some fried shrimp and fried French fries. And they look like that. I thought they were good.